The question is, what can you get with 70 lines of C++? Let's just go ahead and run the program. Now that's wrong, clear screen. And then run the executable file. And again, from the last video, we still don't understand what's going on here. I don't remember when I wrote this, and I don't remember why I randomly had a product function here, or why I wrote it in such a poor fashion. But anyway, here we are. I have some basic find number function with some constraints available. Let's see. So it takes some integer array, and it takes a number that I'm intending to find. And because it's C++, we cannot access the size of the array. So I did 100 max checks to determine if find num exists in array. I guess that's it. And then I had a binary search function. So be search, search a vector, assuming the vector is sorted in an attempt to find target. And then I had my main function here as an array. It doesn't matter if it's sorted or not, the value will be found as long as the size of the array is less than 100, less than or equal to 100. And then I have my vector of numbers, and this will work so long as the array is sorted. If it were not sorted and say you're looking for 0, this would not work, just due to the nature of binary search, depending on the fact that the array you are searching for is indeed sorted. And that is about 70 lines of C++, because for some reason I have a weird product function here. Anyway, we can run it again, and if we do the execute, let's actually change a value. Let's say we are looking for the first number 1, and here we are looking for some number that doesn't exist, 0. I'm actually going to have to rebuild this, so run C and C++, because the executable wouldn't have changed. Here we go, so 1 is the 0th index, and there is no 0, so we have returned -1. And that is it.